pictures of them all. Zoom them in there.
Are you looking at them, Ricky?
Oh, look at that. Now if they stop, you know, stand still, here comes one. Otherwise, the challenge.
Here comes one. Oh. Mm-hmm. Nice.
About 200,000 miles.
Ooh. Yeah, fire.
Somebody's going to pick a fight.
Yeah. Yeah. Out here, there are just as many back in the trees.
That's amazing. Those two bulls come up here and give us a. Wish they'd come out in the open, though.
Getting him dialed up too, huh?
I could get the sparkle in his eye.